Hello Geminis, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you for the last 15 days of February. And as you know, they are all general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies, energies of the person or the situation you're dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. So Geminis, this is your reading. Let's see what it has for you for the last 15 days. Okay. So Geminis, there is a situation in your life in which you are wanting to heal yourself. You're wanting to heal, you're not making any action, but you are very, very emotional in this situation or this person, whatever it is. Okay, a lot of emotions, just wondering as to what to do, how to sort it out. Should I open up? Shouldn't I open up? And the situation here is, for some reason, I think you are not in a position to move forward, or you're not in a position to uh, open up. But the thing is that in spite of having a lot of emotions for this situation, you are somehow restraining yourself and just leaving it on to time. Okay, so there is some sort of healing, some sort of a surrender in this situation, which you are yourself trying to balance it. That's what I'm getting. Okay, definitely in this situation, you are, in spite of being emotional, you're not able to open up or show your emotions in this situation. And then we have the King of Pentacles, the Page of Cups, the Queen of Swords. So definitely what I feel here is there is somebody here is really very, very detached. I don't think you or the other person. I think this is the energy of the person here. Somebody here is offering you or opening up with their emotions, but somebody here is very, very detached and not accepting it. Okay, so somebody here has to offer their love. Somebody is opening up. I really don't feel it's you, though maybe, but what I feel here is, with the Queen of Swords, somebody is opening up emotionally, and offering you love, or uh, but the thing is, the other person is not accepting it. The other person is behaving in a very, very cold and a detached manner. This person is not opening up, while the person who is opening up is ready for a commitment. This person is offering commitment in this relationship. So with the offer which is coming up is stability. This person is ready to give you stability. This person is ready to give you a commitment and a family. But the thing is, the other person is really very detached and closed off. It may be you, it may be them, but somebody here is closed off while the other person is opening up and offering you a relationship. So maybe you are shut down to accept any new offer. It can be that because of whatever you've been dealing with or healing. Maybe it was tough to deal with and sort out your life in this situation. And now, if somebody new comes up and opens up and offers you a relationship, perhaps you are not ready to deal with it, or you're not ready to accept it. Okay, but what I feel here is that things are changing. Things are changing with the Wheel of Fortune. There is something which is causing you a lot of anxiety. So what I feel here is the person who is closed off, though this person, maybe you, maybe them, is closed off, not opening up emotionally, but still this person is suffering from a lot of anxiety. With the Three of Cups and the Two of Wands, what I feel is you really want a reunion. This person wants a reunion. The person who is feeling an anxiety and tension, what I feel is that even if you have rejected the offer or you're not opening up, but still this thing deep within your heart, this you really want a reconciliation, and this thing is causing you a lot of anxiety. And with the Two of Wands, you are ready for a new beginning here. See, what I feel is it may be that the person whom you want to open up and want a reconciliation is is a different person, and the person who is opening up is somebody different. Somehow I'm getting three people in this relationship. I don't know why. So the person who is opening up and giving you a commitment seems to be the person who is totally different than the person whom you actually want to open up. Okay, you want a reconciliation with someone here, and you are closed off because of that, and you're detaching, you are feeling detached or showing this detachment and a cold energy to the person who is now perhaps coming in your life. It's something like that. You want a reconciliation with your ex, perhaps. It's something like that. You want a reconciliation with your ex, and that is what is causing you a lot of anxiety. Maybe you have two options here then with the Two of Wands. You really have two options and you have to decide. Okay, you want reconciliation, the choice is in your hands, Geminis. You want reconciliation, that is what is causing you a sleepless night. But the thing is, the person who is actually giving you stability and a family and a commitment, I really don't think that you are invested in that. You are more towards somebody who is actually not opening us up. How, I don't know what it is. Let's we'll see how it resonates with you. That you have to see, and I don't know, that's what is coming up. Anything else for Geminis, please? Yes, with the Six of Cups, the Hermit, and the Eight of Swords, it's very tough for you to step out of this situation. I really don't think you're opening up to a new person. This is a reconciliation which you actually want. You really feel tied up to this person or this situation, and with the Hermit, you have detached yourself, you're isolated, though you are trying to look for answers within, but still it's very, very tough for you because you're too tied to this reconciliation person whom you want to have a reconciliation with. Okay, it's not easy for you to come out of it. With the Eight of Swords here and with the Nine of Swords here, you are totally imprisoned by this person or the situation. You are not able to come out of it, though you are trying to heal yourself. But no, you are not ready for any other offer. You are not ready for anybody else in your life. You, now this is your power. You have to take a decision. You have to make a choice here. Let's see anything else for the Geminis from this deck. King of Diamonds. You need to heal yourself. This is spirituality. This is healing. This is focusing on yourself. This is what you have to do to deal with whatever it is, so that you're able to make the right decision, I should say. Message from the angels. This one wants to come out. Three of Actions. Things are working out beautifully. Now that ship has come in, it is the time to decide what your next project will be. You may choose to continue to build upon your successes or move on to something entirely different. Be willing to travel if necessary. So, Geminis, it's your choice. You have to just decide you want to go in for the new person who is actually giving you a commitment, or you really want to be with the person who is really, it's of no help. This person is not really opening up or giving you what you want, but still, if you want, it's your choice. So, Geminis, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.